With the NFL season starting in September, millions of fans across the country will be looking for ways to catch all the action live. Whether you're a die-hard season ticket holder or a more casual viewer who occasionally tunes in on Sundays, there are many options available to watch NFL games each week. This guide will provide an overview of the various ways to watch NFL games and help you choose the best method. Watch on live TV. For many years, watching NFL games on live television was the traditional and most popular viewing method. Most games are still shown on national television through broadcast networks like Fox, CBS, NBC, as well as cable channels ESPN and NFL Network. Here are some details on watching NFL games through live TV. Broadcast networks. Each week, Fox will show NFC conference games while CBS will air AFC games in your local market. These games are available over the air through an antenna or as part of your cable, satellite package. NBC airs Sunday Night Football each week. Cable channels. ESPN shows Monday Night Football games each week while NFL Network broadcasts 8 games during the season on Thursday and Saturday nights. Games on these channels require a cable or satellite subscription. Streaming services. Services like FuboTV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Sling TV and YouTube TV offer live streaming of your local Fox, CBS, NBC stations as well as ESPN and NFL Network. This allows you to watch games on your smart TV, phone, computer or tablet. Check channel listings. Be sure to check your TV provider's online listings or program guide closer to game time to find out exactly what channel your local matchup will air on that week between CBS and Fox. Watch on NFL's streaming services. In recent years, the NFL has launched its own streaming options to make games more accessible for all types of viewers. Here are the main streaming platforms offered by the league. NFL app. Available for iOS, Android, and streaming devices, the NFL app allows you to stream games broadcast on Fox and NBC in your local market. It also offers national games including Monday Night Football. Authentication with a pay TV subscription is required. NFL Plus. The NFL's new premium streaming service offers live local and primetime games on phones and tablets, including the playoffs and Super Bowl. It also has access to local radio broadcasts. A subscription costs $4.99 per month or $39.99 annually. NFL Sunday Ticket. Exclusive to DirecTV subscribers, Sunday Ticket allows out-of-market viewers to watch every Sunday afternoon game live. It's pricey at $293.96 for the full season but is the only way for fans outside the local TV markets to watch their favorite teams. Prime Video. As part of an 11-year agreement, Amazon's Prime Video will air 15 Thursday night football games between September and December. Games are included with a Prime membership at no extra cost. Watch on TV streaming devices. TV-connected devices like Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, and Chromecast allow you to stream NFL games right to your big screen television through streaming apps and logins. Some popular options include NFL app. Stream your local Fox and NBC games as well as national broadcasts if you authenticate with a pay TV provider login. FuboTV. A sports-focused live TV streaming service that offers local channels showing games and NFL Network, RedZone channel for $69.99 per month. Sling TV. The Blue package includes local Fox, NBC along with ESPN, NFL Network at a lower price point of $35 per month. Hulu Plus Live TV. Access to your local stations airing NFL games plus ESPN, NFL Network for $69.99 per month. YouTube TV. Another popular live TV streaming option with local channels and sports networks starting at $64.99 per month. With these streaming devices, you can catch NFL games on your TV from the comfort of your couch without cable. Make sure to check package inclusions and regional availability. Watch in bars, restaurants, and public places. If you're on the go or want to catch NFL games socially, head to bars, restaurants, and other public establishments that show games. Many sports bars and breweries will play all the Sunday afternoon and primetime broadcasts with sound on multiple television screens. Ask in advance about any cover charges. In some cities, you'll also find viewing parties at parks, stadiums, plazas or event spaces organized by fan clubs, sports leagues or venues. These allow families and fans of all types to view games together in a fun community atmosphere. Keep an eye on your local event listings to find public screenings in your area. RedZone for all the action. For an intense wall-to-wall viewing experience, tune into the NFL RedZone channel, which switches between all Sunday afternoon games showcasing moments like touchdowns live as they happen. Hosted by Scott Hansen, RedZone whips around scores, highlights and breaking news from 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time on Sundays during the season. The channel is available through most cable, satellite streaming providers that offer NFL Network. Fans love the adrenaline rush of following all the day's scoring plays in real time. RedZone is a must-watch for hardcore football junkies craving maximum action. Watch on your phone with mobile apps. To stay connected to NFL scores, stats and highlights anywhere, rely on top football apps optimized for phones and tablets. NFL app provides game replays, videos, stats and a football-focused newsfeed for on-the-go fans. Many features require authentication with a pay TV provider. Yahoo Sports app delivers in-depth analysis plus a slick interface, making it easy to follow scores, schedules and breaking news updates. ESPN app, tons of stats, fantasy tools and videos from the leader in sports media alongside scoreboards for all games in progress. CBS Sports app, stream live games shown on CBS in your market directly to your mobile device. Loads of extra content too. With these apps, you can always get your NFL fix without being glued to a television. Just don't use your phone's data streaming full games. Watch NFL replays. For those who miss games live or want to rewatch exciting moments, look to on-demand options. NFL app, NFL Plus, provides full game replays of all games by the next day, available indefinitely for later viewing. NFL Game Pass, the league's international streaming package, offers all games, audio broadcasts and condensed games. US availability comes after the Super Bowl. YouTube. Find individual game highlights, condensed versions and full event replays shared by the NFL's official YouTube channel. NFL Network. The cable channel airs encore presentations of recent games on Monday nights. Check TV listings for airtimes. CBS, Fox, NBC Sports apps. Stream game replays through the dedicated apps of your local broadcaster after initial airings. With DVR, on-demand replays or third-party uploads, football fans have many ways to go back and watch exciting games whenever it's convenient.